If you are using Tor but don't know this setting, stop using it right now. Most people use Tor thinking they're anonymous, but your ISP can still see that you're using Tor. Even though they can't see what you browse, they can see that you're on Tor. Today, I'll show you how to hide your Tor identity from your ISP.
InfoTech. Stay safe, stay secure.
In this video, I'll show you how to configure Tor with bridges so nobody, including your ISP, can detect you're using Tor. Open your Tor browser and go to the settings by clicking on hamburger menu on top right corner under close button. Then click on connection from the left pane. As you can see, I am connected to internet, but bridges are not enabled. This wire icon is showing your onion routing Tor circuit. Right now, this browser is connected from the USA to Ireland, then back to the USA, and then my target site. And this Tor connectivity is visible to your ISP. But your ISP don't know that what you're browsing inside Tor browser, so don't worry. But still, you can hide your Tor identity as well. You can get bridges from Tor website by visiting bridges.torproject.org. In Step 2, option click on Get Bridges. In Step 3, it is shown that how to add bridges. You can select between OBFS4 and Web Tunnel. If you want IPv6 addresses, then tick on Yes. Now click on Get Bridges. Copy those bridges on Notepad, then add them to Tor browser. Bridges are unlisted Tor entry points. They obfuscate the Tor handshake so ISPs can't detect or block Tor traffic. If you are using existing bridges, then you can choose your bridge type. Prefer obfs4. If that fails, try Snowflake. Meek should be your last option. Bridges help you securely access the Tor network in places where Tor is blocked. Depending on where you are, one bridge may work better than another. Tor browser includes some specific types of bridges known as pluggable transports, which can help conceal the fact you're using Tor. obfs4 makes your Tor traffic look like random data. May not work in heavily censored regions. Snowflake routes your connection through Snowflake proxies to make it look like you're placing a video call. For example, Meek connects you to the Tor network through a big cloud provider. May work in heavily censored regions, but is usually very slow. As you can see, after adding the bridges, I'm able to establish the connection. In Tor circuit now, it is showing connection from this browser to a bridge we have added recently has been established. Then routing from Portugal and Romania to my website. You can add multiple bridges. Bridges obfuscate Tor signatures, making your traffic look like normal HTTPS. DPI tools can't fingerprint it anymore. Security checklist to follow. Check, keep the Tor browser updated. Check, use official bridges from official and trusted sources only. Check, use HTTPS. It is enabled by default. Avoid these mistakes. No useless extensions with Tor browser. Check, do not use torrents. Check, don't open docs outside Tor. While using Tor, never mention your original identity on any sites you are visiting. These are must-follow safety rules when using Tor with bridges. One mistake can break anonymity. If you want to know more about which browser extension can be used with Tor, comment below. Tor is legal in most regions. Use it responsibly. This video is strictly for privacy and censorship circumvention. Privacy does not mean doing illegal activity. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions about Tor, bridges, VMs, or privacy tools. Like and subscribe for more cybersecurity breakdowns.
If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel NB InfoTech, and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a new video. In the comment, suggest to us more antivirus tests that you want. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.